F-15 Eagle. Still didn't want to turn left very good. You want to fly this one, Joe?
Huh?
You want to fly this one?
Yeah, I can't even fly mine decently.
Oh, what better way to practice than on your friends?
Yeah, I think I may paint the wingtips on that new jet white.
Yeah.
Turn, that white shows up. You know, it's kind of camouflage.
Right.
So that white does show up. See? See what I'm saying?
Yeah, this one, I really don't have a big problem with it except for when it gets down in the tree line. Or in the tree.
Yeah.
But yeah, when I come down below the tree line, on a straight end view, I can definitely lose sight of it for a second. Let's see, I'll show you. There's down below the tree line right there. Whoa, almost got it in on premature. But for such a small jet, this one actually flies pretty decent.
You have a 64
Yeah, 64 millimeter.
3-cell or 4 or both?
This is on a 4-cell. I've never tried it on a 3-cell. I don't know how well it'll do.
I got my motor from Motion and the receiver, and I couldn't get the receiver to work right.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. I don't know if I'm past my 30 days on it or not. If I am.
What kind of receiver did you use?
Uh,
We're gonna land on this one.
I've got a Spectrum 600 in there. I thought it was a 610.
Oh, one that's big in here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I thought you were talking about a different plane.
Go home and put that other receiver in and see how it latches up. But I had all kinds of trouble with it, and it may be the way I had the transmitter set. I don't know. Oh, that's pretty.
A little bit of a pancake, but what are you gonna do?
Kind of like you, I don't think I'm going to get too many more airplanes.
Yeah, that's me. I'm definitely gonna drop at least 6. I'd probably drop more like 8 of them out for sale.